Continuation of significant figures. Okay. What is the last point? All non-zero digits are significant. Zeros in between two significant figures are significant. Okay, starting zeros are not significant. Ending zeros after decimal point are significant. Right, let us continue the rules. Exponents are not significant. Exponents are not significant means 10 powers. For example, if you have like this 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, okay, ignore 10 powers. Okay, how many significant figures are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 significant figures. Okay, right. If we have like this 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 90, how many significant figures are present? 4 significant figures are present. Okay. రైట్, మీకు స్క్రీన్ క్లియర్గా ఉంది? ఒకసారి చూడండి ఆన్లైన్ వాళ్ళు. స్క్రీన్ క్లియర్గానే ఉంది అందరికీ? హలో హలో, ఓకే. సి, ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ మీన్స్ 10 powers. Here we have 4 significant figures. Next, very important part, rounding of numbers. For example, I have one value like this 213.172, something like that. Okay, I wanted to take up to 2 decimal places, means up to 7 only. I wanted to remove this 2, then I have to follow some rules. Clear? While rounding of the numbers or digits, we should follow some rules. Clear? Look at that. Rules to round up the numbers. If the number to be removed, is less than 5, remove it directly. Remove directly without adding 1 to previous number. Look at this. I am giving one example. 2.31. Let us round up to 2 significant figures. Okay, means we have to keep 3 only, up to 3. What we have to remove now? 1. We have to round up to 2 significant figures. Then we have to remove 1. Once if the number to be removed is less than 5, remove directly without adding 1 to previous number. We have to remove 1, but 1 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Less than 5. Remove it directly without adding 1 to previous number. Previous means 3. Don't add any number to 3. Previous number means here 3 is the previous number. So rounding up to 2 significant figures. SF. After rounding, value is 2.3. Okay, see this example. 2.5147 up to 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. You have to take up to these 3 only. You have to remove 4 and 5, but you have to consider this only. Don't consider 7. 4th digit you have to remove. Clear? Ignore 7. Focus on 4 only. Right? Remove 4. 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5.
Yes.
So we have to add 1 or we no need to add 1.
We don't need to add.
No need to add 1 to the previous number. Previous number is, what is previous number here? 1. Clear? So answer will be 2.51. 2.51. If the number to be removed is less than 5, remove directly without adding 1 to previous number. I wanted to keep only 3 significant figures here. 2, 5, 1. I have to keep only these 3. So I have to remove 4. 4 is less than 5. So remove it directly without adding 1 to previous number. Clear? Next point. Next ruler point. If the number to be removed is, if the number to be removed, if the number to be removed is greater than 5, then add 1 to previous number, then add 1 to previous number. 8.347. Rounding up to 3 significant figures. Rounding up to 3 significant figures. We have to keep 834 only. 834 because rounding up to 3 significant figures. So what we have to remove? 7. 7 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to previous number. What is previous number here? 4. See, if the number to be removed is greater than 5, means here we have to remove 7. Why? Because we considered we are rounding up to 3 significant figures only. We have to remove 7. 7 is greater than 5. So add 1 to previous number. What is previous number? 7 previous, 4 is present. So for 4 add 1. So answer will be 8.35. Clear? Online students, are you following, all of you? Are you following or not? Hello? Right. Okay. Next, very, very important. The number to be removed is 5. For example, we are going to remove 5. We discussed less than 5, greater than 5. If the number to be removed is 5, then see. Yes. And one more point also there. If the number to be removed, is 5. We have 3 cases. Case 1, case 2, and case 3. We have 3 cases. First case, if any number is present to the right side of 5, then add 1 to previous number, whether it is even or odd. If previous number is even or previous number is odd, then add 1. If any number is present right side to the 5, I'll give you example, then you will get clarity. Then add 1 to previous number. If previous number, whether previous number is even or odd, whatever it may be the nature of the previous number. If any number is present right side to the 5, see this example, you will get 7.3152. Okay, rounding up to 3 significant figures. Round up to 3 significant figures. 3 significant figure means you have to keep 7.31 only. Now what you have to remove? 5. If the number to be removed is 5, you have 3 cases. What is the first case? If any number is present to the right side of 5, right side number is there or not? Right side to the 5 number is there or not? Then add 1 to previous number. Previous number means 1. Whether previous is even or odd, always you have to add 1 to the previous number when any number is present right side to the 5. Okay. Now after rounding up, answer will be 7.32. 7.32. After rounding up to 3 significant figures. First rule is okay. Case 1 is okay for you, online students. Did you get this? All of you? Okay. Respond, everyone. Next. If number is not present, right side number is not present. If number is not present, in right side or to the right side, right side of 5. Right side of 5, there is no number. Then I'll give you 2 cases here only. Okay, another case also there now. I'll give you that here only. Then add 1 to previous number. Then add 1 to previous number. If it is odd, if previous number is odd, then add 1 to it. Okay. If previous number is even, if previous number is even, then don't add 1. Don't add 1. Let us see 2 examples for that too. 6.125, 7.335. Round up to 3 significant figures. First of all, tell me, right side to the 5, is there any number? No. Right side to the 5, is there any number? No. Like this. Here right side some number is there, but here right side no number is present. In that case, add 1 to previous number if it is odd. See, rounding up to 3 significant figures. We have to remove 5. Previous number is even or odd? 3. Odd. So add 1. 7.34. After rounding up 3 significant figures. After rounding of 3 significant figures. In this case, we are rounding up to 3 significant figures, so we have to remove 5. Previous number is even, so remove directly, don't add. 6.12. Okay, rules. These two, after rounding of 3 significant figures, this is also okay, right. Let us continue. These are basic rules. Okay, now next, addition and subtraction. Rules to follow while doing addition and subtraction. Next, multiplication and division. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Online students, are you there, all of you? Once respond. Okay. Addition, subtraction. I'll take two numbers, 2.13, 1.1. 1.1. 3, 2, 3. Okay. Now observe two numbers. In first number, after point, how many decimal places are present? 1, 2. How many decimal places are present? 2. After point. After point here, how many decimal places are present? 1 decimal point. 1 decimal place. Okay, after point 1 decimal place is present, or 1 digit is present, like that. Decimal place. After point, how many decimal places are present? 2 decimal places are present. See, during addition or subtraction, the final value should be reported so that it contains minimum decimal places as that of the number, same decimal places as that of the number with minimum decimal places. Once again, see, the final value should be reported. Okay, so that it should contain similar decimal places as that of the number with the minimum decimal places. Final value should be reported. How it should be reported? It should contain same decimal places as that of the number with the minimum decimal places. Which is having minimum decimal places? Second one only. 1. So this value should be reported like that only. It should also contain 1 decimal place only. But here how many decimal places we have? After point, this is 1, this is 1. But it should be reported to the same decimal places now, as that of the number with the minimum decimal places. So you tell me which number we have to remove? 3. Correct only na? 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Then we have to remove directly or we have to add any one? We have to remove directly. Clear? So final answer will be 3.2. 3.2. During addition or subtraction, the final value should be reported to the same decimal places as that of the number. This is one number, this is one number, as that of the number with the minimum decimal places. Look at this. We'll discuss more examples. You will get no, don't worry. During addition or subtraction, the final value should be reported to the same decimal, this is important, decimal places as that of the number means which two numbers we are going to add, as that of the number with the minimum decimal places. Okay, look at this. 2.13, 1.1 we took, right? What is the value, final value? 3.23, but it should be reported to the same decimal places as that of the number with the minimum decimal places. After point, only one decimal place is there, 1.1, only one. So this is also should be reported like that only. So for that, what you have to do? You have to remove 3. 3 is less than 5. So remove directly. Okay? Right. I'll give you one example to you. Try. Online students, try and tell me. .523, 2.3, 6.61. Or 6.21, I'll tell you because are you responding? Hello, online students, are you following or not? Are you following? Are you getting everyone? Is this point okay for you? Everyone, tell me. Sorry.
13.0.
13.0. Acha. Look at this. Let us check. I'll confirm. 3, 2 plus 1, 3 again. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 13. Right? You have 3 numbers. First, second, third. What is the rule? During addition or subtraction, the final value should be reported to the same decimal places as that of the number with the minimum decimal places. You have 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Which number is having minimum decimal places? Second number, right? After a point, how many decimal places you have? 1 decimal place, right? So this is also should be reported like that only, na? So after a point, how many decimal places you have to keep?
1.
1. This one. So you have to remove 3. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So remove directly. So answer will be 13.0. Correct answer. 13.0. Clear? Correct. No doubt. During addition or subtraction. Clear? Right. Next, you do this. (2.5) into 10 to the power of minus 2, 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Subtraction. Same rule. Okay. I'll give you one hint. Equate exponents first. That is the hint for you. Equate exponents. Here 10 power minus 2 is there. 10 power minus 3 is there. So bring this 10 power minus 3 as 10 power minus 2. You know, that is simple mathematics. Okay. Try. 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Here exponent is different, minus 3. So convert it as a minus 2. How can we convert? Okay, like this. Now what is common? 10 power minus 3 is common. 2.5 minus 0.48 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, what is this value? 2.5 minus 4.8. 2.5 4.8. This value is 2 here, 0, 2.02. 2.02 into 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2. Now observe these two. After getting same exponents, then only see the decimal places. Which is having minimum decimal places? After point 1 decimal place is present. After point 2 decimal places are present. But what is the rule? Final value should be reported to the same decimal places as that of the number with the least decimal places. So after point we have 1 decimal place. Okay, so we have to keep 1 decimal place, means 0. You have to keep 0. 0 is you have to remove 2. 2 is less than 5 now, so remove directly. So answer is 2.0 into 10 power minus 2. Right, correct answer. Clear? Exponents, you do not consider exponents. Exponents are not significant. Okay, that is the rule. Hmm, 2.0. .4 grams of a sample of alcohol contains 0.002 grams of water. 81.4 grams of a sample of alcohol contains 0.002 grams of water. What is the weight of pure alcohol? Look at this. This is alcohol sample. What is its weight? 81.4 grams. 81.4 grams. Inside this, how much water is present? Let us consider this is water. How much water is present inside it? 0.002 grams. How to get the weight of pure alcohol? By subtracting. Okay. Remove water weight. The total bottle weight is 81.4 grams. Inside, how much water is present? 0.002 grams. Yes, tell me. Hello? Let us see. Weight of pure alcohol. See the solution. 81.4 minus 0.002. Can you say this? Can you say this value exactly? 81.398. What we did here? Which operation we did here? Subtraction only, na? During subtraction or addition, what we have to follow? We should report the final value to the same decimal places as that of the number with the minimum decimal places. See, which is having minimum decimal place? You have two numbers here. This is 1, right? After point, how many decimal places we have? 1. But here how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. Here you have 3 decimal places, but here you have 1 decimal place. So you have to maintain 1 decimal place after point. Means 81 point. Which number you have to remove now? Which number you have to remove? 9. After point you have to keep only 3. You have to keep only 3. 1 decimal place only you have to maintain. Clear? So for that you have to remove 9. But 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to previous number. So answer will be same. Clear? Like this also you will get questions. All of you. Next. We will do model questions after completing the concept. Next, multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. Multiplication, division. During multiplication or division, final value should be reported to the same number of significant figures. Here not decimal places, same number of significant figures. Means you have to count all the numbers, right? Before point, after point. Previously what we took? After point only we checked, right? But here you have to check entire number. Final value should be reported to the same significant figures, not decimal places. Same significant figures as that of the number with minimum significant figures. I'll give you one example, then I'll write the definition. See here. 1.12 into 2.2. 1.12 into 2.2. Right? Tell me its multiplication value. Make it fast. Multiply. 112 into 22. How much? 422. Again 422. 4 6 4 2. Right? 2464. Where point will come? Right? During multiplication or division, the final value should be reported to the same significant figures as that of the number with minimum significant figures. Previously we took decimal places. Final value should be reported to the same decimal places as that of the number with minimum decimal places. But here final value should be reported to the same significant figures. Count total significant figures, right? Here how many significant figures you have? 2 significant figures. Here how many you have? 3 significant figures. But final value should be reported to the same significant figures as that of the number with minimum significant figures. Now in this number how many significant figures you have to maintain?
2.
In this how many significant figures are present? 2. So here you have to maintain 2 significant figures. Means which number you have to remove? 6. 6 is greater than 5 or not?
Yes.
So add 1 to previous number. 2.5 is the answer. Once again see, during multiplication or division, final value means this value should be reported to the same significant figures as that of the number with minimum significant. This is one number, this is one number. In this number minimum significant figures are present. 2 are present. So in the final value also 2 significant should be present. Right? During multiplication or division. Clear? Try this. Okay, before that I'll give you a definition. Final value should be reported to the same significant figures as that of number with minimum significant figures. Okay, Got it, all of you? Imagine this is the answer, this is the final value, this is the final value. Correct it, online students, correct it,
1 by 2.
correct it. Imagine this is the value of this operation, 1.27. See, number. How many numbers you have?
3.
4 numbers you have, right? Select the number with minimum significant figures. Minimum significant figures. Final value should be reported to the same significant figures as that of the number with the minimum significant figures. In this, how many significant figures you have? 3. So maintain 3 significant figures here. Means up to 7. You have to keep up to 7. So which number you have to remove? 1. 1. So 1 is less than 5. So remove it directly. So answer will be 1.27. 1.27. Okay. I'll give the PDF. So many questions we have, different questions we have. So if you do them, then you will get some idea. Right. Bhakti and Meenakshi, when is your physics class? Hello. One question only. Last question. Last question. Which of the following? In which of the following? All zeros are significant. In which of the following all zeros are significant? See the options. Third option. Leading zeros or starting zeros are not significant. Leading zeros or starting zeros are not significant. Leading zeros or starting zeros are not significant. But in this, see, starting number is 2. Significant. And you know, after decimal point, if 0 is present, that is significant or not? This is significant. After decimal point, 0 is significant. Between two significant figures, middle 0 also significant. These are also after decimal point significant. All are significant. This is one model question only. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.